If you're looking for an easy work-from-home job where you can put your research skills to work, I think I have a pretty good job lead for you today. This one comes to us from R1, also known as R1 RCM. They're a huge company that provides revenue cycle management services for the healthcare industry. Basically, they do all the accounts receivable, payables, and billing services for hospitals and medical facilities. Right now they have an opening for a follow-up associate level 1 for the infusion division. This is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States, and they are going to pay $14.69 up to $19.30 per hour. Now I get it, that might be a low salary, but this job doesn't require any experience, and if you're just getting started in the work-from-home world, or maybe this is your first job ever, this is a pretty good opportunity. You're going to be learning some pretty valuable skills that you can take to other jobs in your future. They also offer benefits in this position. In fact, they have a benefits handbook. I'll put a link in the description area below this video if you're interested in learning what kind of benefits they offer. And I'm pretty sure they'll train you in this job because down here on their careers page, they tell us they have a variety of training programs. So going back to the job lead, as a follow-up associate level 2, you'll be responsible for all insurance follow-up on assigned accounts. Every day you'll conduct research, insurance billing, and adjustment identification to ensure proper account resolution. And they tell us to thrive in this role, you must maintain your weekly production metrics and maintain current resolution efforts on all assigned accounts. So on a regular basis, you'll work accounts from assigned areas to maximize reimbursement. So you need the ability to resolve payer rejections and denials through the appeals process as required by each payer's contracting agreements. You'll perform systematic, consistent, and timely follow-up, taking appropriate action to process accounts to resolution. And you'll be responsible for working payer correspondence, edits, and aged accounts receivable, identifying and correcting billing errors, and resolve unpaid and underpaid claims and collections on behalf of clients. So all you need is a high school diploma or a GED. That's it. So if this $14.69 up to $19.30 an hour job interests you, you can find the direct link in the description area below this video. And good luck to all of you who apply. Hopefully this job works out for you. Thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.